Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download and open your browser and go to the NextDNS website. Create a NextDNS account by clicking the sign up button. Fill in the required information, like your email and password, and click create account. Verify your email by following the link sent to your inbox. Log into your NextDNS account after verification. On the dashboard, you'll see a unique configuration ID. Copy this configuration ID for later use. Now, head to your device's network settings. For mobile devices, go to Wi-Fi settings. For desktop devices, open the network settings through the control panel or system preferences. Select the Wi-Fi or Ethernet network you're currently connected to. Look for advanced settings or a DNS section in the network settings. Here you can manually input DNS server addresses. Paste the copied NextDNS configuration ID into the DNS settings. If required, use the IP addresses provided by NextDNS for fallback. Save the changes and disconnect and reconnect to your network. Open a new browser tab and visit any website to test your connection. Check if NextDNS is actively blocking unwanted content. For additional configuration, return to the NextDNS dashboard. Explore options for custom filtering and security features. Make any desired adjustments to enhance your privacy settings. Regularly monitor your dashboard for insights and statistics about your browsing activity. Enjoy a safer and more private browsing experience with NextDNS. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.